Hello again, kids. For your Wednesday writing assignment, you're going to click into the week 4 assignments, go into the writing folder, and there will be a video here, Wednesday Writing 2, using sensory details in writing. This is an Annie and Moby Brain Pop video that gives you suggestions for adding sensory details in your writing. Good writers do use sensory details to help engage the senses of the reader and make the stories that you're writing more interesting. So today, watch the video and review the writing that you've already done. See if there are places where you can add some sensory details or move along in your writing, write something new, or continue on with something a project you've been working on, being sure to add in those sensory details to make your writing more interesting. Have fun with your writing today. Use your time wisely, and hopefully you have a productive, creative writing session today.